Soft as silk. Understanding similes in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful aspect of the English language, similes, focusing on the phrase, soft as silk. This is not just about vocabulary. It's about painting pictures with words. Let's find out how this phrase works and what it can do for your English communication. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things to highlight a particular quality. The words, like, or, as, are used to draw the comparison. For example, when we say, brave as a lion, we're comparing someone's bravery to the well-known courage of a lion. The phrase, soft as silk, is a simile. Here, softness is the quality being emphasized. Silk is a material known for its smooth and fine texture, which is why it's used as the standard of softness in this comparison. Let's put our simile into action. You can say, the blanket was soft as silk, to express its delightful texture. Or, after using a new fabric softener, you might say, my clothes feel soft as silk now. Similes like, soft as silk, add flair to language and make descriptions more vivid and interesting. They help listeners or readers visualize what you're talking about, making your communication more effective and engaging. Thank you for joining me. I hope this explanation helps you understand how similes work and enrich your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be crafting sentences soft as silk in their eloquence. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.